know him?
Who?
The deceased.
No.
Me neither. I hear he was 80. Good time to move on, don't you think?
I don't know.
Well, 75 is too early, and at 85, you're just marking time. Might as well look over the horizon. Would you like an orange?
No. Thank you.
You don't eat much, do you?
Well, I don't want to spoil my lunch. In fact,
Ah! You go to funerals often.
I don't...
Me too. They're so much fun. All revolving and changing, burials and births, the beginning to the end to the beginning, the great circle of life. What's your name?
Harold Jason.
I am the Countess Matilda Chardon, but you can call me Maud.
It's nice to meet you, Ma, but I really should...
Oh, look around you, Harold. Dark and gloom, unsmiling saints and